Assalamualaikum sir, this is Aslan Ahmad Broi with the roll number 121 2K17 of class BS4 Botany. Today my presentation topic is about phytochrome mechanism in plants. The content of this presentation is introduction to phytochrome, history of phytochrome, photomorphogenesis, functions of phytochrome, forms of phytochrome, interconversion of phytochrome, and mechanism of action of phytochrome. Let's go to the introduction to phytochrome. Phytochromes are the light photoreceptors of plants synthesized in dark entirely as PR form in the cytoplasm. They are also present in bacteria and fungi to detect light. They are sensitive to light in red and far region of visible spectrum. History of phytochromes. Borthwick and Hendricks in 1959 discovered phytochromes while working in the US Department of Agriculture at Maryland. Seidman and Ferrer in 1964 extracted and purified phytochromes from etiolated maize leaf. Photomorphogenesis. The light-mediated growth and development in plants independent of photosynthesis are called photomorphogenesis. Now let's go to the functions of phytochromes. Here are some functions of phytochromes. Phytochrome controls many aspects of plant development. They regulate the germination of seeds, photoplasty, the synthesis of chlorophyll, the elongation of seedlings, the size, shape, and number and movements of leaves, and the timing of flowering in adult plants. Phytochromes are widely expressed across many tissues and developmental stages. Forms of phytochrome. The pigment phytochrome exists in two forms. Number one is phytochrome red, and number second one is phytochrome far red. Now, the phytochrome red absorbs maximum light in the red region of the spectrum. It has wavelength of 660 PR is inactive form. PR means phytochrome in red. Number second one is phytochrome far red, FPFR. It has the absorption peak in the far red region at 730 p. Only PFR phytochrome is physiologically active. These two forms are chemically interconvertible when PR form absorbs red light from 1650 to 680 mm. It is converted to PFR form. The PFR form absorbs far red light from 710 to 740 and it is converted to PR form. Interconversion of phytochrome. These two types of pigments are interconvertible. There are two methods of interconversion. Number one is photoconversion and the second one is thermal conversion. Now what is photoconversion? The PR phytochrome absorbs red light, it is converted into PFR. Similarly, when PFR absorbs far red, it is converted into PR form. This is known as photoconversion. Photoconversion is very rapid. It is complicated with 1 to 4 minutes. Number second one is thermal conversion. PFR is spontaneously converted into PR in the dark. This method of conversion is very slow. It takes a few hours. It depends on temperature, therefore it is called thermal conversion. PR form does not show thermal conversions. As you can see in the diagram. Now go to the mechanisms of action of phytochrome. Regulation of photomorphogenesis. There are two types of mechanisms of action of phytochrome in plants. Number one is negative regulators and the second one is positive regulators. Now negative regulators has two types. Number one is COP, constitutive photomorphogenesis. Now what it is? It can be defined as the COP is E3 ubiquitin ligase. This is an enzyme which is involved in targeting several photomorphogenesis promoting factors like HYF, LAF, HFR1 for degradation via point 265 proteasome pathway. In the absence of light or in darkness, COP is present in nucleus, but in the presence of light, it is exported to cytoplasm, as you can see in the diagram. Now, the second type of negative regulator is PIFS, which is phytochrome interacting factors. It is also negative regulator of photogenesis. They are PHLH transcription factors. For example, here are some examples. PIFS, which promotes scotomorphogenesis. That means the development of plant in dark. Plant undergoes etiolated growth. And another example of this is elongated hypocotyl close cotyledons with apical hook and pale yellow leaves in dark by binding to PIF's induced genes. Positive regulators. Positive regulators has two types. Number one is phytochrome and the second one is HYF or elongated hypocotyl, etc. Now, what is phytochrome positive regulator? It can be defined as a photoactivated phytochrome PFR after autophosphorylation migrates into the nucleus and mediate photomorphogenesis development de-etiolation by degrading PIFs and inactivating COP activity. So the main function of the phytochrome is removal of negative regulators of photomorphogenesis. Number second type is HYF elongated hypocotyl, LAF1 long after far red light 1 and HFR1 long hypocotyl in far red 1. These are the photomorphogenesis promoting transcriptional factors in which HYF B ZIP transcriptional factors is a master regulator of photomorphogenesis. In the light level of HY5 protein increases and in dark it decreases. Okay, in the absence of light. In dark mode, phytochrome synthesizes as the inactive PR4. In the dark, COP1 migrates from the cytoplasm to nucleus 5, forms complex with SPA1 and becomes more active. COP1 SPA1 complex constantly degrade the photomorphogenic promoting transcription factors like HYF, LAF, HFR1 via ubiquitin mediated 255 proteasome degradation pathway to prevent photomorphogenesis. PIFS in the dark accumulates in the nucleus and induces expression of PIFS. Induced genes directly promotes scotomorphogenesis and also inhibits photomorphogenesis. In the presence of light, in light or in the presence of light, photoactivated phytochrome PFR gets autophosphorylated and migrates into the nucleus. In the presence of light, PFR promotes phosphorylation of PIFS followed by their degradation via ubiquitin 255 proteasomal pathway which inhibits scotomorphogenesis. In the presence of light, PFR interact with COP1 to SPA1 complex and causes their dissociation, which in turn inactivates COP1, so it is transported from nucleus to cytoplasm. This prevents degradation of HY5, LAF1, HFR1 transcriptional factors, which in turn induces the expression of light responsive greaves and promotes photomorphogenesis. So that's all about the mechanism of phytochromes in plants. Thank you, sir.